So for the letter Z, I'm going to read the book Zoom, Rocket, Zoom by Margaret Mayo, illustrated by Alex Aliff. I'm not sure how to say it. It's a rocket ship. It's about a rocket ship. Zoom, rocket, zoom. What do you see in these pictures? It's like a bunch of astronauts flying around with astronaut stuff. Zoom, rocket, zoom. Mighty rockets are good at zoom, zoom, zooming. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff, launching. Woo! Up they go, zooming, blasting into space. Smart astronauts are good at guiding. At the controls, watching and waiting. Then pow! Booster rocket firing, traveling deep in space. Lunar modules are good at tricky moon landings. They leave the spaceship swooping, descending. Spidery legs ready for BAM! Safe landing, touching down in space. Excited astronauts are good at moonwalking, bouncing, bounding, oops, no falling, scooping up moon rocks and carefully collecting. They can work in space. Moon buggies are good at rolling, round wheels turning, soft dust gripping across the humpy lumpy moon, bumpity bumping, exploring up in space. Space shuttles are good at big load moving. Up they hurtle, booming, thundering, dock at a space station for fast unloading, carrying tools in space. Space stations are good for living and working, a place for eating, sleeping, studying, and whoopee, weightless somersaulting, a home while deep in space. Bold astronauts are good at spacewalking, with arms waving, almost dancing, on the job, rebuilding and repairing, working hard in space. Space satellites are good at around the Earth orbiting, taking pictures for weather forecasting, signals flying whiz, TVs receiving, circling around in space. Robot spacecraft are good at speeding, powered by the sun. They keep on flying, reaching distant planets and even landing, whizzing through deep space. Robot rovers are good at roaming. They travel over Mars, searching, exploring, wild winds measuring, red deserts finding, discovering in space. When night has come and the moon shines bright, reflecting back our sun's great light, explore the stars and search the sky, and watch for satellites gliding by. The end. Have a good night.